Hi guys, welcome to Jammu and Kashmir history classes. This is Ruxana Nabi. I hope you are all doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this lecture we will discuss drainage system of Jammu and Kashmir. The drainage system of Jammu and Kashmir consists of rivers, lakes, springs and glaciers. Main rivers of Jammu and Kashmir include Jhelum, Chenab and Indus. Many rivers of the JK originate from high mountains and flow throughout the UT of JK. The Jhelum, Ravi, Chenab, Indus and Tavi are the important Himalayan rivers of UT JK. Here we will discuss the longest rivers in the UT of JK. They are River Chenab, River Jhelum and River Indus. River Chenab, ancient name of the River Chenab is Asikni. ये river originate होता है from Baralachal Pass in Lahul and the Supti region of the Himachal Pradesh. River Chenab is formed by two streams, namely Chandra and Bhaga. So, River Chenab is also known as Chandra Bhaga River. Its total length is about 960 kilometers long. It covers the length of 504 kilometers in Jammu and Kashmir and it drains the eastern section of the southern slope of Pir Panjal. Chenab River enters into Jammu and Kashmir near Padar at Kishtwar and crosses Doda, Ramban, Riyasi, Akhnur districts and it leaves Jammu and Kashmir at Akhnur district and enters into Sialkot district of Pakistan. Many hydel power projects are located on this river like Salal, Dalhasti, Sialkot and Bagliar. Important tributaries of River Chenab are Mirnala, Marusdar. It is the biggest right bank tributary of the River Chenab. Tavi, it is the biggest left bank tributary of the River Chenab. Budnala, Lidrari, Suhal and the Throat. They are the tributaries of River Chenab. River Marusudar and the River Tavi are discussed below. River Marusudar, it originates from the Lahul Valley at an elevation of about 5175 meters. In the beginning, two streams, namely Batkot and Gumbar, merges to form the Varvan River. In the lower areas, Varvan River is known as Marusudar. Marusudar flows almost the north to south direction. Its catchment is almost fan shaped. Upper part of the river is covered with glacier and the permanent snow line is considered generally around 4700 meters. River Tavi. It originates from the Kailashkun Glacier located in Bhadarwa of Doda district, Jammu. Its total length is about 141 kilometers. Its catchment area covers Jammu, Udhampur and small parts of Doda districts. The river flows through the Chinani town of Udhampur and Jammu and then joins the Chenab River in Sialkot district of Pakistan. After passing through these regions, the river enters into the Pakistan. Chinani hydropower project is constructed on this river. Now we will discuss Jhelum River. The ancient name of Jhelum River is Vedasta. It is the main waterway in Kashmir Valley. In Kashmir Valley, River Jhelum is known as Veth. River Jhelum originates from the Vedinag spring, which lies 80 kilometers southeast of Srinagar district. The total length of River Jhelum is about 725 kilometers. It covers a length of 177 kilometers in Valley of Kashmir. In Srinagar district, many tributaries join River Jhelum and thus it becomes navigable from Khanabal to Valur Lake. Jhelum River is also called the lifeline of Srinagar and it bifurcates the city into two parts. This river flows through Baramulla district and across the Jammu region. After that, it leaves for Pakistan and merges with Indus River. Srinagar, Baramulla, and Anantnag cities are situated on both the sides of River Jhelum. Many hydel power projects are located on this river. For example, Ganderbal, Lower Jhelum, Upper Sindh, Uri First, etc. It has about 24 tributaries. Important tributaries are Sindh, Puhru, Vishu, Rambyara, etc. Now we will discuss another major river, that is Indus River. Indus River originates in the northern slopes of Kailash range in Tibet from Mansarovar Lake. Total length of Indus River is 2900 kilometers. It covers a length of 1114 kilometers through India. The river flows between the Ladakh range and Zanskar range and covers the areas of Ladakh, Baltistan and Gilgit through a deep gorge 5181 meters near Atog. It crosses the Himalayas and then take a turn towards southwest direction and enters into the Pakistan. Important tributaries of this river are Shyok, Suru, Zanskar, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Satluj. Now we will see the major rivers in Jammu and Kashmir. They are Chenab River, Doda River, Dras River, Indus River, Jhelum River, Markha River, Neelam River, Nubra River, Ravi River, Shingo River, Shyok River, Suru River, that is the Indus River, Tavi River, Sarap River, Yapola River, and Zanskar River. We will discuss them one by one. Markha River. Markha River flows through Ladakh in India. The river is a branch of the Zanskar River. The basin of the Markha River is famous hiking trail in the territory. Dras River. The Dras River is a branch of Suru River. The source of this river lies at the Machoi Glacier, which is close to Zojila Pass. Doda River. Doda River originates from the Drang Drong Glacier It traverses the Ladakh region and is also known as Stur. Suru River. Suru River in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir, which crosses the northern and western fringes of the Zanskar mountain range. It originates in the Zanskar area of Ladakh. Shingo River. Shingo River runs across the Ladakh area and it is a branch of Suru River. River Ravi. River Ravi is a river that crosses the boundary of India and Pakistan. It runs across the eastern part of Pakistan and northwestern areas of India. River Ravi is one of the six streams of Indus River system in Punjab. Length of River Ravi is 450 miles, that is 720 kilometers in UT Jammu and Kashmir. Nubra River. Nubra River is a branch of Shyok River. It runs across the Nubra area in Ladakh. Neelam River. Neelam River is also known as Kishan Ganga. It joins the Jhelum River near Muzaffarabad. Shyok River. This river runs across the northern areas of Ladakh and some parts of Pakistan. Gangiji district for approximately 340 miles or 550 kilometers. Shyok River is a main branch of Indus River. The source of Shyok River is the Raimo Glacier. Major tributaries of the Shyok River are the Galway River, the Chanchanmo River, the Saltoro River, the Nubra River. Another river is the Sarab River. Sarab River is a major river in UT of Jammu and Kashmir. It's also known as the Sarab Chew. It runs across the Zanskar area in Ladakh. Yapula River. Yapula River is also named the Vanla River. It is a river in the Ladakh region and pours into the Indus River at Lamayuru. Zanskar River. Zanskar River is a tributary of Indus River. It runs to the north of Indus. It has two principal branches. The first branch is known as Doda River and the second branch is created by the Karyag River and the Sarab River. The river is an ideal location for river rafting tours. Springs in Jammu and Kashmir. Here we will discuss important springs of Jammu and Kashmir. Verinag, it is the source of Jhelum, and the other springs found in district Anantnag are Martand, Achabal, Kogarnag, Chirnagan, Visiknag. They are all found in the district Anantnag. Now we will see the springs found in district Srinagar. It is Tulmula or the Kheer Bhavani. It is a sacred spring. Another spring is the Vicharanag, Sukhnag, Vishansar, Harmukh Ganga and Cheshma Shahi. Cheshma Shahi is famous for its fresh and digestive water. It is situated near Srinagar on one side of Boulevard Road. Another famous springs of Jammu and Kashmir are Khoon Spring in Udhampur district, Marwa Spring in Kashtwar district, Parnala Spring and Fort Spring in Doda district. Now we will see the glaciers in Jammu and Kashmir. Glaciers are found near the poles and at high altitudinal mountains. Important glaciers of Jammu and Kashmir UT are Baltoro Glacier. Baltoro Glacier is located in the Baltistan area of Jammu and Kashmir on the southern slopes of central Karakoram range. Baltoro is the second largest glacier of the Himalayan region. It is about 62 kilometers in length and it provides water to the Shigar River. It is a tributary of the Indus River. Two large tributary glaciers of Baltoro Glacier are it is one from southwestern slopes of Gasherbrum Peak and second from northwestern slope of Masherbrum Peak provide water to this glacier. This glacier is accessible via Sukado in Ladakh. Another glacier is the Baifo Glacier. Baifo Glacier is located in the Baltistan area of Jammu and Kashmir on the southern slopes of Karakoram range. It is about 62 kilometers in length. Shigar River gets water by main stream of this glacier. This glacier is fed by small valley glaciers and this glacier is devoid of vegetation. Another glacier is the Hisper Glacier. Hisper Glacier is located in Baltistan area of Jammu and Kashmir on the southern slopes of the Karakoram range. It is the third largest glacier of the Himalayan region. It is about 62 kilometers in length. Small glaciers meet this glacier on both sides. And this glacier is devoid of vegetation. This glacier provides water to the Shigar River. Another glacier is the Nubra Glacier. Nubra Glacier is located in the Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir on the southern slopes of Karakoram range. Nubra gets water from this glacier, that is Nubra River. It gets water from Nubra Glacier, which ultimately flows in the Shyok River. Many large tributary glaciers drain this glacier. Valley glaciers from northwestern slopes of the Sasarla Massif and southeastern slopes of the Karakoram range and small glaciers in hanging valleys provide water to this glacier. Along the edges and the junctions of the tributary glaciers and main glacier, lateral moraines are found. This glacier is above the snow line. The snow vegetation is found here. Now it is Raimo Glacier. Raimo Glacier consists of three glacier groups. These three glacier groups are North, Central and South, which are located at a height between 6,000 to 7,000 meters above mean sea level. And this glacier lies to the east of the Siachen Glacier. This glacier provides water to the Shyok River. Another glacier is the Saltoro Glacier. Saltoro Glacier is located on India and Pakistan border. It is situated near a basin in a mountain in the Saltoro Massif and it provides water to one of the two streams of the Saltoro River. And the next one is Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier is located in the north central part of Jammu and Kashmir on the northern slopes of Karakoram range. Siachen Glacier is the largest glacier in the world outside the polar region and it is about 72 kilometers in length. Siachen Glacier provides water to Muzdag or Shekisgam River that flows parallel to Karakoram range before entering into Tibet. Memostong and the Shilker Charlton are its largest tributary glaciers. So this is all about the glaciers of Jammu and Kashmir.